you know that amigo is also a responsible bird? He wants to see his environment clean. Now we have here sample trashes, and amigo is going to show us how to clean up his nest. Check this out. He picked up the Coca-Cola can, opened the bin, and dropped it inside. Wow! Next one, buddy. Get the plastic out. Then, open the bin again and drop it inside. Last one, amigo. He picked up the beer can, walked all the way, opened the bin and dropped it inside. Wow! So if the birds can do, why can't we, right? So we cannot stop waste production, but every one of us can make a significant contribution. So think before you build. It helps save energy and natural resources. Because what do you want to say? Come on, amigo. Don't be shy. Okay, put it up. You want to say something? Come on. What are you looking at, buddy? Put it up. Put it up, amigo. Nice. Nice one. Come on, come on. Welcome to Cebu's Forest Bird Show. Ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. Now here's our twin balloon macaws named Kyle and Carl. And wait, here's more. Alright, right down to the stage, my friends. Now we have a total of 7 balloon macaws named Hardy, Manton, Kyle, Carl, and JR, and 1 green macaw named Rico. So macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it's quite normal for them. So if they were surrounded with many people, they would accept many people, and their diet they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. They also have a hi. Now here's our another green macaw named Jumbo. Now Jumbo, can you wave hi at them, Jumbo? Say hi. Hi everyone. Alright. Now can you wave back? Hi. Hi Jumbo. Alright. Now macaws have a very long tail and feathers. It can range up to 3 feet in length from head to tail, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 wings. Jumbo. Okay. Let's do it again. Say wings. Alright. Now macaws' feet are zygobacillus that feed like a plastic basket, and that's our reward for Jumbo. And we will see how will Jumbo get his reward. Check this out. He lifted up the plastic basket and get his reward. So we use the reward system to reward the intelligence of our bird. Very smart, buddy. Now before we say goodbye to Jumbo, Mr. Ian, how are you? I've heard that Jumbo is a very sweet bird. Can you show it to us how sweet Jumbo is? Look at this one. He kisses Mr. Ian. Can you do it again, buddy? Nice one. Now a round of applause to our great macaw named Jumbo. Thank you so much, Jumbo. Now at this juncture, I need a volunteer. I want you to meet our cute and colorful sandpipper named Bunny. Hi there, Bunny. Now sandpippers have golden plumage in its head down to its body and a green wings. So a young sandpipper appear more olive green in color. And they're very playful and said to become light, so they spend most of their time in on their nest, couple bird being and dawn. And also Josh and Rich. Alright. Now sandpipers are monogamous type of bird. That means they will only have one partner for a lifetime. And also, they can live 20 to 25 years in the wild and in captivity. Our another cute and fluffy sandpipper named Sunny. Come on out, Sunny. So Sunny loves money. Come on, buddy, what do? You fly to Miss Manchuri and pick her money up. Right back to Mr. Ryan. Bye-bye, Sunny, and buy 1,000. Thank you so much, Mom. Can I take this? Hey, wait. Hey, Mom. Are you okay? Hi, Mom. Are you okay? Wait, just grab your money and not Sunny, okay? Okay, now can you say, Sunny, give back my money?
Sunny, get back my money.
Come on, buddy. Return the money now. We fly to Miss Patrick and put her money back. Bye, but Sister Ryan, our round of applause to our sandpipper named Sunny. Thank you so much for her. And more about say la 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 la. Again, la 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 la. Miss Janice?
Yes, but before that, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month?
Who's celebrating their birthdays today? Alright, so dagdag kayo, Miss Janice. Because Alana and Rudy is going to sing a happy birthday song. Nobody, let's sing. Let's sing happy birthday. Happy birthday, not loud, okay? Alright. Happy birthday to you with a crazy love from Lania and Rudy. A round of applause for a young crowd out of Karen. Thank you so much. Their hearing is a cute. They can hear a mouse click half a mile away. And little is known about the behavior of this secretive species, but its powerful feet suggest that it feeds small mammals, reptiles, and birds. Now, Mr. Ian, I have observed that Tati is always looking to your right. I think he wants to fly back to the hole now. You want to fly back to the hole, buddy? Come on, you can do it. Now, you know, Philippine eagle owls, they live in tree bars or tree holes. Okay, now aside from tattoo, we also have here his twin brother, our another night creature of the Philippines, our another Philippine eagle owl named Casper. Now, Casper is going to showcase his flight style. Now, everyone, please don't move and be quiet because again, they really need to focus. It is very hard for the nocturnal bird prey to see their food on daytime because they have a very poor night vision in daytime. Don't be shy, Casper. And he flies down to the stage. Nice one, my friend. Now, if I may ask, do you hear that sound? No, it is because Philippine eagle owls, they fly almost silently due to its special feather structure that reduces turbulence. So thereby they love to eat small mammals. Hunter! And he catches his lure! Woo! We don't walk out 5 seconds! Now as you can see, Hunter is very protective of his food. He let his wings cover his prey so nobody can steal it. Now Mr. Iron has the real food or the real prey because Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. It's okay now, buddy. Nobody would steal your food. Now Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species, threatened by habitat loss. And they also have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters, and their diet they love to eat small mammals. Either shadow, fly, and snatch his food. Okay, let's do it again the second time around. Miss Jenna, shadow is over there. And snatch his food again. Now Veronica has a white plumage on its head down to its breast, and the rest of its color is striking chestnut brown. Did he snatch the last food? Alright, he snatched it all. So in Australia, they are called as the red-backed sea eagle, and in the Philippines, they're known locally as Banok in Visaya and Dawing in Tagalog. So they are feed on carrion, small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And they are found throughout Southeast Asia, Australia, and Indonesia. So in the wild, they can live 15 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 30 years. Also one of the largest predator prey. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, keep your heads up high to our young white-bellied sea eagle named Veronica. And landed to Mr. Chris. The white-bellied sea eagle is also called as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage and set down to its underparts, and its back and wings is dark gray in color. And a